Where's your milk? Oh, you got it? Here, bring me the... Put it back in the fridge and put that one in the garbage.
So gross. Can we buy milk?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
You can buy milk. I just did a 30-minute pumping session with this Annabella pump. I'm freaking out. I got over 3 ounces. And it's like, it imitates a baby sucking. Like, it's really cool. It's like people stuff. So I just did 30 minutes on that. And then I'm going to get my baby a bottle so I'm able to get my room clean. You want a papa? Are you in the crib? It's a good one. This is just like the best sight in the world. Look at these cute little boys. Hi. Is that a good baba, Rixon? Is that a good baba, True? Yeah? And then
Mom, I don't want to go. Mom, never let's go.
okay, we can go to the store and get some eggs.
Mom, I don't want to go. Mom, they're running out. There's you, baby.
Ask me nicely, okay?
Mom,
Ask me nicely.
Mom.
Okay, I'll make you toast and butter.
Okay, Mom, have that.
I'm gonna be getting ready today, doing a really light makeup and a simple hairdo. I have my whole house I need to deep clean today, catch up on laundry, and that'll be for another video. I need to get a workout in for the day. I'm gonna probably do that this evening. I have to pick up Zachary from school in a couple of hours. So I'm hoping to have lunch ready and have my house caught up with, but I just wanted to get ready first before I started getting my house clean. I'm doing just a really simple makeup look today. I'm just going to be using a little bit of foundation. I already have my lashes on. I did a little bit of skincare. I used the La Roche-Posay face moisturizer. I love it. My face feels so smooth and moisturized. My foundation. I'm just using the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. It matches my skin good. It says it's healthy. It's actually from Walmart and it's really affordable. But I love the little application stick. It's just really easy to put on and I like how it matches my skin. Cosmetics one. I bought Saint Beauty makeup like probably a year. I'm just trying to use all of it. I don't know if I would buy it again. I like the product, but some of it doesn't go on my skin very well. I stopped buying the foundation, so I switched over. I just want to get like all new makeup, but I want to use the stuff I have first. But I've been using the Saint. It's like a simple makeup kit, like your blushes and everything kind of just is all together. Your blush, bronzers, foundations. I've liked it. I just kind of want to try something new. I've had it for like the past year and it's like all I've been using. So I do like Saint Beauty, but I think I just want to try something different. Just using a lip liner. It's from Maybelline. Bria and I got home from school and her and she were playing so good together. That was sarcasm. So I'm using this Rare Beauty like lip tint. I like it because it like stains my lips and lasts a little bit longer than like regular lip gloss or lipstick. Using the Estee Lauder, is that how you say it? Estee Lauder? I don't know. It's the Double Wear Radiant Concealer. And that's my makeup look for today. It's so simple. I'm gonna be getting this hair done. I need to get a haircut so bad. I can't wait to go to and get it cut. I don't trust anybody to cut my hair. The last couple of times I've had a haircut, they've like chopped it up really bad. So I don't cut my hair too often. And when I do, I kind of just like to get it a little trim. I'm using the Tangle Teaser brush. Once I found out about this brush, I found it in Ulta and I have never gone back to any other brush and I have been using them for years. They just don't hurt my hair. They don't rip my hair out. I feel like if I have a tangle in my hair, it like will stop and like just go over it. Like it's not gonna like get caught on it and just rip it out. And it's just my favorite brush. I don't know if I'll try anything else because I've tried so many brushes and I have such thick hair. And I'm a little bit tender-headed, but this brush is my favorite and my daughter also loves it because it doesn't like pull her hair. I'm gonna be using the Dyson Airwrap to curl just like the ends of my hair today just to give it a little bit of style. I feel like it looks really flat and puffy, especially after I brush it out because I have so many like curls through my hair. So I'm gonna be using the Dyson Airwrap, just give it a little curl just to the bottom. I'm just kind of gonna be doing this to the bottom of all of my pieces of hair. It's really quick and it kind of just gives a little style to my hair. Why I do this. I start out with like this much curl on this side and I end up with like this much curl on this side. I keep going higher. So I usually end up recurling these to give them a little bit more curl at the top to match the other side. Just do a couple pieces for it to match, but I did my hair in less than 20 minutes and I feel like it just has a little bit of style to it at the bottom. I love it. This is the look. It took me like less than 20 minutes. Look how snuggly he looks. I would have gotten ready a lot quicker if I didn't have little interruptions from this little boy. But this is the look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Comment below what you'd like to see.